Hey, hi David. So I hope, yeah, I have started sharing my screen. So, David, I hope everything is good on your end. Now I'm going to give a quick demo as we discussed, like the page, basically the app which we are trying to build with Envoy World and Salesforce integration. Now this is one of the app which we have built, which on more or less the same ground, but on a different feature and some different set of logics. So you can see on when we log in into Salesforce, this is my Salesforce login. So once we log in into Salesforce, you can see like I can open up several apps. So in the same way, right now it is written as FDC Disconnect. In the same way, you will be able to have your own app. The app name would be uh, probably Envoy World Salesforce Connect or something like which will denote the integration, and you will be having several tabs on top of it. So if you want to just let me just quickly give you an overview. Like Salesforce has this account, contacts, opportunities, leads, and other objects. So what I remember is like you want your contacts like Stella, Rose. So these all contacts to be synced with NY World, and it should show a nice interconnection between the company's all contact details, and should also pull and do the all sort of pull and push of information. So to do that, the user will be going to your Envoy World Connect app, and within that, the first step would be the login, or to say like the setup. So over here, I have made like everything is open, so so that you can view. There will be an endpoint URL, the username, password, token, consumer key, something like this. And which once the user click in, there will be a save button. It will do a first time authentication token, and it will verify whether the login details are correct. It will show like okay, the login details are correct, and you are ready to do the pull or push or all sort of data setup. So, and the next step would be to go to the mapping. Now this is a sample mapping which I wanted to demo to you. Like in this, you can see like on the left hand side, supposedly all the Salesforce account fields are coming in: name, type, billing street, billing city, shipping city, shipping details, phone number, fax, account number. All those details are coming up on the left hand side, and on the right hand side, the API fields. This APIs will be the Envoy World API, and user will be supposed to like put a drag and drop. So you can see like okay, name is matched with client name, type is matched with client type, and we want to match the shipping street, shipping street to street, and so on. So these all mapping are basically locking everything. And once the user does all the sort of mapping with Salesforce standard fields and Envoy fields, and they click on hit on save, this mapping will get saved successfully. Now, next step is as soon as the mapping is saved, we can go to this. We will be probably creating another tab which would be named as Envoy World Sync or with Sync with Salesforce, and there will be having like different objects, fields, mapping, whichever we have set up. And once the user click on like okay, let me sync my contacts, and in this case, which is let sync my cases. So as soon as they click on sync my cases, it will on a regular basis it is doing a batch from the backend. It is showing like holding, queued, and at the end it will show the processing. And once the processing is done, it will show the 100% complete. So this should be like a graph, or we can make it as fancy as we want. Now once this is saved, the user will be going to the contacts or accounts, and they can see like okay, these are contact or details I have come in, what all the new information getting updated, and further on like a lot of other details we can think about having this with. So this was a simple presentation which I wanted to let you have this. Like this will help you relate things between what we discussed and what we can come up with. I hope you like this demo video, and we soon have a meeting to kickstart the project.